Summer 2010 is a great time to buy a new home. Hi, this is Art Livesey. One of the reasons it's a great time to buy a new home is because interest rates are low. That means every month you'll have lower mortgage payments. Also, there's a good selection of homes to choose from, including this one in the Minnesink Valley School System in the town of Mount Hope. This home has 2 acres. It has more than 2,000 square feet of living space, and one of the features of it is a brand new kitchen. The kitchen features granite countertops, lots of cabinetry, and plenty of workspace. There's also a formal dining room, a stone fireplace, a large living room, 3 large bedrooms, two and 1/2 baths, a laundry room, and a sun porch. And it's all for you right now if you make 2010 the summer that you buy a new home. I hope you will. Thank you for watching. This is Art Livesey saying for more information, check out artlivesey.com and get all the details on this house.